Rask is a one-stop shop localization tool that boasts amazing features such as voice cloning, professional voiceovers in the form of dubs, multi-speaker detection, face swapping, automatic shorts creation, and more. Videos can be up to 20 minutes long, and you can translate them into over 60 languages. This cutting-edge tool received the #1 Product of the Day award from Product Hunt, which is a great testament to its quality. How it works. All you have to do is start producing amazing shorts by uploading the desired video or simply linking it. The AI will then recognize various voices, transcribe them, translate them, and spit them out in a chosen voice. You can even choose to mimic the speaker's original voice, which can lead to some incredibly entertaining dubs, such as Joe Rogan speak in German. Generated videos are then easily exported and used on various video and social media sites. Employee and customer training can be incredibly time-consuming, especially when you're dealing with international teams or customers. The prime example are airplane safety instructions, which often require staff to be fluent in local language. Simplify this by recording the training video and dubbing it into the local language. Marketing most often falls on deaf ears because the target audience simply does not understand the speaker well enough. Make sure that your message is clear by translating it to the local language. What is more, you can change your speaker's appearance so that is akin to the local phenotype. Some of the major features of Rask AI that makes it super cool are 60 plus languages, dramatically expand your audience with support for over 60 languages, including English, Spanish, and more. Number 2, voice cloning. Utilize the AI to provide authentic human-like dubbing that maintains the original emotion and tone of the content. Number 3, multi-speaker support. Manage multi-speakers with ease, ensuring seamless translations for all voices involved. Number 4, subtitles and SRT file support. Add subtitles or use ready-made SRT files for professional localization without any hassle. Number 5, Rask Mask or Rask Shorts. Access innovative tools for content editing and enhancements such as text-to-speech, lip sync, and more. Rask AI's user-friendly platform empowers to easily translate and voice over their videos, providing a more immersive experience to viewers worldwide. The days of spending countless hours and resources on traditional translation agencies are long gone. With Rask AI, you can watch your content flourish across borders and connect with global audience like never before. In order to use Rask, first of all, head on to your favorite browser and search for Rask AI. After you're led to the login page, you can sign up with a Google or email ID or anything. Now after you have had that information entered, then you are led to the homepage of Rask AI Audio Translator. You can have your own file uploaded and simply select the language on what language you would like to have the audio or the content translated to, or in case you would just like to have it tried, then you can simply click on Upload a Sample Video. Then after some patience, you are presented with a translated version of the clip. This is all together on how this AI works.
La escribí en 1928 y el estribillo es: las niñas negras no juegan con muñecas negras, porque mi infancia a menudo digo que fue el momento más punk.
You can simply play around in the page and you shall know a lot of features on what this AI can do. Here's the help center in order to help you out in case you face some issues with the interface of the AI. You can also report a problem by going to the icon here and clicking on Message section. Now about the pricing. Rask AI offers a free trial for users to experience the benefits of their AI-powered localization and dubbing tool. The free trial allows users to explore the features and capabilities of Rask AI, giving them an opportunity to assess its suitability for their specific needs. This risk-free trial period ensures that users can make an informed decision before committing to the subscription. During the free trial, you have the opportunity to upload 3 videos and receive a 1-minute clip from it. If you want to translate the entire video, you can purchase the subscription to the service. They offer you 2 types of subscriptions: monthly and annual. Purchasing a subscription grants you access to the service, which includes a certain number of minutes based on the pricing plan you select. And if you run out of minutes, then you can buy extra minutes. The cost of additional minutes varies among the pricing plans. $2 for each extra minute on the basic plan, $1.5 for each additional minute on the Pro plan, and $1 for each extra minute on the business plan. And what if you have a 30-second video? How much will you be charged? Currently, the seconds are rounded to the nearest minute. Consequently, you will be charged for 1 minute for the 30-second video. And what happens to the minute that you don't spend? Well, that will be saved as the remaining minutes in your account. You can use them as long as the subscription is active. The next is API access for integration. Rask AI provides API access, allowing users to easily integrate the platform with their existing workflows or systems. This API access streamlines the localization and dubbing process, making it more efficient and seamless. By integrating Rask AI with other platforms or tools, users can optimize their workflow and maximize productivity. So that's it for today. Stay updated. Thank you very much.